recording. Hey there, YouTube. What is up? It's Vanilla Lime Coke, and today I am going to be setting up my new iPad. So I'm gonna see how I can do. I'm recording this with the Android phone. It seems like the Android tablet's way too washed out, and my other iPad, it doesn't have a pause button on it, so this does have a pause button, and I'm gonna be setting this up. See how it goes. See if I can set it up, in the video or not. I tried to set up the previous one back in 2018, 16, or 17, but it didn't work out. There's no pause button, and the video I recorded was way too long for YouTube, so go figure. Anyway, let me get it out. Hold on. This is it right here. I'm gonna pause the video. Alright, so I just pulled this thing right off. Just pausing the video while I open up because I don't want to get the serial number in it. So go ahead and pause again. Oh, I gotta open now. But let me go ahead and open the box. Okay, it took a little doing, but there's where it is. I'm gonna get it out. Alright, there's what's in it. There's the charging cord. Right here. This thing doesn't seem very long. I'm gonna need to go back and get a longer charging cord. I want one that's 6 feet or longer so I can stretch in my, from my bed to the charging dock. Yeah, this thing's only, let's see how long it is. Yeah, this thing's not, I don't think this thing's even 3 feet long. It's probably only 2 feet, or probably like a 1.5 feet long. We're gonna have to, I should have asked that, but I wasn't thinking. It comes with this. I guess these are just the very, very, very basic instructions. They don't give you any instructions for anything anymore. Not ever since I got my first iPod back in 2005. They didn't come with any instructions. I had to contact the company like 20 times, like saying, "Well, how do you do this? What does this mean?" and all that. And it's like, by the 15th time, they're like, "Oh, we're sorry you're having so much trouble with this." I just like an instruction manual, but I guess they don't want to waste paper, but they could have posted one online. I think nowadays they do. Back in 2005, no. So, alright, I'm gonna get it open just a second. Alright, so here's the tablet itself. Here's my case, which I did not purchase at the Apple shop. They would probably charge like $80. Instead, I spent like not even $20 to get this case off eBay. So it's like, and then they're like saying if I wanted to buy a keyboard with it, and their keyboard I think was going for $300. And I have one that's going to give away out in the hall, and it's been sitting out in the hall forever and ever, which is probably not as good, but we probably picked it up from a rummage sale for probably not even $10, or probably one, without a charger though, but we have a charger cord for it. So I might go ahead and get this up, hook it up to the thing. The only thing is that, well, I'll show you later. The screen here is bigger and all. I think this device will fit in the keyboard case, except that the keyboard case sort of like covers like this. So it'd be covering part of the screen, but anyway, let me see if I can get this set up. Alright, I definitely can't put this in here, so I'm probably gonna end the video really soon, but let me see if I can turn it on. Okay, there it goes. There's the Apple logo. Alright, let me Okay, so there it goes. It's like saying hello. Alright. So here we go. We're gonna choose our language. English is our language. Alright. I'm gonna answer the next few questions. I'm not gonna do the whole thing, but yeah, I can't get it on here, so. Alright, so it's asking me for my Touch ID. Supposedly you just, there's another video that shows you how to do this. I'm gonna set this thing up later, but you can check it out. You really need like another video explanation of how to do it. I'll find a video and post the link in the description or comment. Alright, so I set the passcode, and then it's going to ask you to enter the Apple ID. I'm going to go do that now. Alright, so it asked me for, like, to enter my user ID. I did. And then, like, I had to enter a code and all. And then, you know, it's going to ask you just to agree with this and all that, so you can read through it, print it out later to read. I just like agree. I mean, you don't. I mean, it's like 46 pages of basically saying like, don't you jailbreak it. We're not going to cover it. You don't pirate it. Don't. I don't know what this. Just basically don't do anything illegal. All right, now here we go. It's setting up. For whatever reason, these buttons aren't working accurately. Like one's going up, one's going down when it should be the other way around. So I might. Even if I had a recording, I'm recording. I don't think it would help. They'd still be. Alright, I don't know what to do here. Hold on. Alright, so basically it's asking me about, what's it doing? I forget what it's saying it. There's like some things I told it to set up later. It looks like the adaptive brightness is on here. I'm gonna have to tell it not to do that. I like the adaptive brightness. You just tilt it one way into the slice sign, it's going to be coming up very bright, and then you just the teensiest bit the other way, and it's going to go dim as anything, so I'm going to have to fix that later. Let's talk about iCloud keychain. I have no idea what that is. I'm going to tell it, don't use it. Or ask me about Siri. We're going to set Siri up later. I have a feeling as soon as I try saying it, there's going to be more. People just hollering in the background, so I'm gonna set that up later for sure. Screen time. Yeah, let's get the big screen addicty junk. So let's go ahead and set that up. iPad analytics. I don't want to share this. I don't think I'm gonna share it. Yeah, don't share. Appearance, light or dark. I don't know what to do. It's set on light. It's already set on light. I'm gonna go with light, I guess. And here we go. Welcome to iPad. Let's get started. So I think I will. And wow. This is completely. Oh yeah, it's asking me about location services, and I said for the time being, don't do this. It's asking me again. I think you can always change this later, so I'm gonna like say not now. Alright, this is. Okay, for one thing, I am not a Democrat. I am a Republican, but I'm not a Republican. I don't follow politics, okay? But I don't want CNN here. It's just I don't want any news here. So, yeah, I took the test and all, and I'm 51% Republican, 49% Democrat, so I'm right down the middle. I'm neither. So that's gonna be another rant, another video about my political status. But anyway, there's all these. I don't know what these things are. They were not on the other iPad. It's, oh my gosh, it's like walking into a different world. I'm gonna have to get this set up. Okay, if they're not on this page, that's good. So peace and quiet on this page. So yeah, first few things I'm gonna get is I'm gonna get my PDF viewer on here so I can read my journal novel and all. That's what I'm gonna try to do. Is I'm gonna compare the colors, how they match up on the different devices and all. So, all right, that is all for this video. Hope you saw what you wanted to see. I'm gonna definitely couldn't fit the big iPad screen on this small phone, but just tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. Just do all that stuff you do with internet and YouTube. Bye.